Hey friends, I'm Brianna, and in today's video, we're going to do a short breathing exercise to help you relax and focus better. If you're not sitting, I invite you to take a seat, but you can do this standing. Check in with your posture. Make sure that you're sitting up nice and tall if you can, if that's accessible to you. I also invite you, if it's accessible to you and just depending on your location, to plant your feet. So maybe scoot to the edge of your chair if you can. Sit up tall, roll your shoulders back, close down your eyes, and start to just notice your breath. Every inhale and every exhale. Notice where you're breathing from. Do you feel it more in your chest? Or do you feel it more in your belly? And I invite you to check in from head to toe. Notice your body. Notice any areas that you're clenching like a tight fist. Where can you let go? In your jaw, your quads. You don't have to keep your legs in any tight position. Just keep your feet rooted on the floor. Notice your hips. Let your shoulders relax down your back. And again, check in, make sure you do still have a long spine. I invite you to take a deeper breath, feeling your belly expand as you inhale and collapse as you exhale. And then let's do a little bit of box breathing. So we're going to inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, exhale for 4 counts, and then hold for 4 counts. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And hold, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Keep going on your own. Finish up the round that you're on. And then slowly let your breath return to normal. Check in with your body one more time. Notice your feet touching the floor, your palms on your thighs, shoulders loosening down your back. Nice long spine. Take one deep breath in through your nose. Slowly exhale out the nose. And if your eyes are still closed, I invite you to blink them open. And that was our short meditation breathing practice. I hope you feel more relaxed, more focused, and more ready for the rest of your day.